cover BBC. You wanna make money for HSBC? Profit from death, they'll privatize your last breath. No more NHS. It's pissing down if it's dirty old town. Have a wind strikes at your undersides. The aged, decrepit, frail, unaddicted, young, unaffected, waiting for howling wind for the elected. This is David Cameron's idea of a big society. This is his dream of a warped reality. This is David Cameron's idea of a big society. This is his dream of a warped reality. Warped reality. You wanna study in a hall of no electricity for 2,000 pounds a term, pay directly to the university. Well, it lights in your soul of intellectual garbage, but forget it if you're disadvantaged. Cause all I wanna do is pocket the law, I'll leave it to rats. And if I can't pay you, they're gonna kill you on the spot, man. They'll kill you on the spot, man. This is David Cameron's idea of a big society. This is his dream of a warped reality. This is David Cameron's idea of a big society. This is his dream of a warped reality. Warped reality. Of the union struck for the workers' rights. For the union rap, they ain't gonna feel no bites. On 40 grand they're ever gonna be alright. And they save up money to power, like limits of a club, they're gonna follow you down. But I don't follow the same dreams. No, I don't see the same world. And I don't wanna go to Eton. No, don't want your promotion. This is David Cameron's idea of a big society. This is his dream of a warped reality. This is David Cameron's idea of a big society. This is his dream of a warped reality. Reality warped. Now there ain't no hope for us, for your society shedding its skin for truth. It would rather hide in deceit and lunacy. Cameron is a labour in all its cruelty. Punishing the poor of the gambling of bankers, singing the gospel of money, greed, individualism. It's only nice in Parliament. New Labour can't save us now. New Labour can't save us now.